happy.
Hey, what's up, y'all? We're getting some guac and chips. Yeah. This is our first official mukbang. Talkable mukbang. Gang, gang. Alright. Alright, y'all. The gorditas. I don't know if I told you what it was. It's a gordita. What is it? We got stuffed this. We stuffed this gordita. We had extra guac, but that sauce is stallion crema.